chill gardens, keep it real in the grow room. All organic in the pots, watch the buds bloom. From the tent to the jar, that's a slow tune. We just water, love, light, let the plants zoom. Cannon chill gardens, every leaf got a story. Ain't no jungle in the crib, little green glory. No rush, long cure, that's the whole.
Welcome back to Candy Chill Gardens. We back here in the AC Infinity 3x3. It's time to do some cleaning. It's clean up day. As you can see, we harvest the flower tent. You seen that a couple days ago. We harvest the coconut cloud that was in here from Sin City. Now I got to come in and do some cleaning. So get in this joint and move stuff around, sweep it up. Got me a spray bottle with some bleach water, and Castle soap, Castle soap. I have it, Castile soap, however you pronounce it. You know, and I get in here and I spray all the equipment down, wipe everything down, take the fans apart. That's a good thing about these AC Infinity fans. You can take these covers off. I'm gonna show you guys in a second, but I'm just sweeping out. You know, I see a lot of people don't really keep their tents that clean. Me personally, I don't know. I'm a neat freak. I love to keep the tent clean. This is horribly dirty to me, and this just happened really just with the last week, just waiting for harvest, some dead leaves and things like that. Then I come in, I take got me a bottle of, like I said, my cleaning solution. Spray this thing down. And then I'll let this sit with the tent doors open for about 2 days or so, just to let those bleach smell go down and everything like that. The moisture from the spray, all that stuff. You know, then like I said, with these fans, just take the screwdriver. Let me see if I can get you down here. Down here at the bottom of your fan, got a screw. You just unscrew this with a Phillips. Take your time and unscrew it. Oh, I can't even get this shit on. I think I need a different, I need a smaller, I need my smaller screwdriver. I was trying to do it the fast way. Hold on, I'll be back. Okay, we back. I got my smaller screwdriver. Let me just get in here, take this screw out. We'll set that right there next to the screwdriver. Then it gives you a diagram on this. Let me get you a little close. It gives you a diagram for you to turn it, which way to unlock. That simple. Then I just go give it a quick little spray, and I wipe my fans down, man. Like, you got dust in the fan, you got whatever, you know, from that grow. You don't want to blow that onto the next grow. You know, try to keep it clean, man. That way the fan, especially, keep some of this dust off the fan, so the fan can rotate properly and give out the proper airflow. Because, you know, if you don't clean that fan, man, you liable to not get the proper airflow, not get what you need to your plants the right way. You know, your environment don't be right. You can also carry mold and mildew, and I don't want none of that crap. I've never ran across it. I don't want no trouble. No trouble. Let me see. Hit this one. Yeah, this is it, man. Like, I can say this. Since I've been growing, I've got a lot of peace. I've learned a lot as far as nature, shoot, and myself. It's just something to do at first that turned into therapy. That's what I've got going on. A therapy session when I start growing. That's what it is. See, quick, easy. It's not hard, man. Keep it clean. Then I'm gonna go do my next one because I got 2 fans in here. But at this second, I'm gonna go ahead and do my light. Just wipe my light down. I don't really make it wet. I just wipe it with a damp cloth just to keep the bulbs clear. And this light is the bulbs are waterproof because it has that lens. This KS3000, man, was one of the best investments I think I've done for myself in this tent. Because I mean, I'm getting really great coverage on the light. I get the light just nice. It's just nice. I get in here and I just wipe everything, man. Just wipe. Yeah, that's it, you know. And wipe, clean it up. That's it. Wipe off. Just make sure I get all the bleach down. And that's it, man. That's it. We set up. We ready for the next run. So that's how you keep your tent clean, man. That simple, that easy. Make sure you keep the tent clean. That is your preventive maintenance. You keep away from getting pests and disease, the cleaner you keep that tent. So, you know, like I say, until next time, keep chilling.